Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all two tutorials in one video. Many of you message me asking that how can you all make your eyeliner waterproof, smudge proof, and in the market there are a lot of waterproof eyeliner, kohl liner pencils available, but I'm going to show you a trick which would make any eyeliner that you use smudge proof. So first tutorial is going to be on that, and the second one is going to be a smoky eye makeup look. This is the look. This is very easy to do. I didn't apply any false lashes, so that you can do it within 10 to 15 minutes, and I think is very good for fall season. Now fall means all the warm shades, black, brown, auburn and mustard, but here's a different take on fall eye makeup. I hope you all like this tutorial of mine. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's get started with the tutorial. I'm taking a yellow toned concealer as an eye primer. I'm going to blend it out with my fingertips all over my lids, followed by translucent powder. I'm going to set that concealer with this translucent powder to lock in everything. Now with short strokes, I'm going to apply black kohl liner pencil very close to my upper lash line. You don't have to be perfect in this, but make sure you're very close to upper lash line. And taking a black matte eyeshadow from e.l.f. Cosmetics New Classics palette. With a stiff angular brush, I'm going to apply that matte eyeshadow, and you can see I'm flipping the brush when I'm going towards the outer corner and making a winged liner. With a brush, it becomes very convenient to draw the line, and that's it. It's so simple and easy to do to get your smudge proof liner. Now next step is the smoky eye makeup. I am applying a black base first, and with a dome brush, I'm going to smudge out the black all over my eyelids. I took very little black kohl liner so that little goes a long way. Then I'm taking the shade Downtown, and with the same dome brush, I'm going to layer on top of that black base that I created with the kohl liner. Take your time while doing so because it's the base of the smoky eye look. Then with a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the harsh edges of the black, followed by a brown shade that I'm going to take, which is called Darling. I'm going to apply that onto the crease to give that, fall smoky eye look. I want a hint of brown. Then I'm taking this amazing turquoise blue eyeshadow from L'Oreal Infallible range, applying just on the center of my lids because that's where the light hits the most and it's gonna glisten very nicely. And I'm blending it out with the black and the brown using the same dome brush so that it looks seamless. And on the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna use the shade Platinum just to highlight my eyes, make it look a bit bigger, and adding mascara and kajal, and that's it. It's pretty much it. I hope you all liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.